Viewers, today I want to show you how you can design a match foundation in STAAD Foundation Advanced and the STAAD Pro Advanced Connect. The first thing, you need to make sure you have your model in STAAD Pro with the rough foundation, and you have to make sure that you have modeled this matte foundation properly, because if you don't do so, you will not get the results in STAAD Foundation Advanced. You will get errors. Okay, you will get failures and errors because you did not model this rough foundation properly. So we will begin this lecture by showing how you can model this matte foundation in STAAD Pro. So I will delete my matte foundation. I will just select flip cursor, and then selected objects. Okay, I want to delete. You can see the way this foundation plate is meshed. It has been meshed properly. There is no any issue in that mesh. That's why it is important you understand how we can model this matte foundation in STAAD Pro. So I will just delete. I will delete, and I will not delete my nodes. Okay, I will delete my plates. Yes. I will not delete my nodes. No. That is because let me view the whole structure. All right. There's a reason I went that far, because I was designing this matte foundation. So I'm not going to delete. You know how you can copy these nodes and transition repeat to wherever point you want. So I don't think that should be the problem. I will also delete my support, because I have a specific type of support here, which you need to know how to model. So I will delete it. Okay. All right. So I will just go to this view. I will select my node cursor. This is my node cursor. And then I will go to selected object, that view. So I want to delete. I want to model this matte. So I will just go to geometry. I want to create a plate, but I don't want this plate because the mesh will not be okay. You will find that it will be failing. There will be specific type of failure because of improper meshing. So I will use parametric model. And so I will delete this, the model that is currently there. I will delete, let me select, see which one. Okay, I will delete that one also. The one that is left is this one. Let me delete all of them. So just need to click and add. I will add, type is slab, then okay. From this point to this point, to this point, that point, and then back to the origin. And then just click OK. Now, then I will just merge mesh. So that if I now go to view whole structure, now you can see my plate is clearly there. I can see it. That's why I have clicked merge mesh. Then I will go to properties. I need to use a plate of 24 inches. So I'll select this one. I already created a thickness here. So just select. I just like click, select my plate cursor, select all of that. Let me view that view. And then I will assign selected plates. Yes. Right. So I can try, go to utilities, nodes, and then I can try to remove open nodes. So no open nodes. All right. Then I will go to supports. I need to create a very specific type of support. Foundation. I will click support in the direction Y. I will add my modulus, which is 4 or 200 kilonewton per meter square. That is the allowable, allowable bearing pressure of soil. And then I will just don't select compression, just none, right? And then I will add, select. Then I will just we can go to select missing property because I'm sure none is missing property. So I'll just go to this, right click, I will select plate cursor. And I'll just pick my plate and then assign, yes. So this is the first thing before you even go to start advanced foundation. You have to make sure you have modeled your foundation. So if I can just then pick my beam cursor, then I just see the 3D. Now you can see we have successfully modeled our mat foundation in STAAD. Then I can run my analysis, check for error. I hope for no error because I want us to go straight to start advanced foundation. So if you don't do that, guys, you will get errors. You will not get the results in STAAD advanced foundation. These are the errors. Let me check. I think there are missing properties. This is usual with this STAAD Pro. There are some 1 or 2 issues. It means I have missing property which is not. Let me go to this view. Let me go to properties. Right. So I will just go to materials. You can see these plates are missing properties. Right. So I'll go to materials. I'll go to concrete and assign to this. Assign. Yes. Then I can just save my project. Let me try to do the analysis. If it fails, I'll just close and reopen this model. This is just the issues you have to face with STAAD. So zero errors, 1 warning, so no problem, you can go with that. I will just close this, all right? Just close it. Then I'll open my start our advanced foundation. Then I will import this. I think this how it works faster instead of just going to foundation design in STAAD and then clicking export. I would rather come here and import. So I'll import. It's opening. I think it is this one. Yeah, it is this one. The time is that. So just click on it, then open. So it is importing the model. This usually works faster with me instead of exporting. That's why I prefer to close it, then come open my and then export. So here I will not export primary loads. I just import, I mean the combinations. And then I will import. I will import. Okay, here's my raft, my mat foundation. And I'll go to foundation plan. I can go to, let's see, project info, foundation plan, load and load factor. See the general modeling view options. Let's view the load values. So you can see my loads which are coming to those points. Okay, so I go straight to soil parameters. So I can just create new job. I will save it as March. Job type, I will select March, USA, ACI code, and I will just select all the load cases. We have to include a name and then click job. The job has been created successfully. And I'll go to my foundation job. Default property, you can change here, just leave the thickness to 12 inches, don't change there. I don't have physical beams. Go to file layout. I'll go to generate mesh and expand that. I want to add rectangular region. So I want to generate my mesh here in STAAD. So I'll go to view. I will choose top view. And then my foundation from STAAD Pro is about 75. This is about 75 or 70 by 60. So I just write that length here by 60. Let me get some offset in the x and y, -10 and -15. I will use their infits, then I will change here the region to I want, let's say M1. Let's try to add region. So the region is not fitting. Okay. I'm going to have to increase the length or at least increase the offset to about, let's say, -50. Increase the length to 80 or 78. And then increase the width to, let's say, 70. Then add. Then I will not change the name, so I must change the name. That's why I'm using M1, so I can use M2 this time. Okay, it's almost. I just increase the offset further, or I can increase this length to 90. Let's see. This will be M3. Add region. Then I can increase the offset to, let's say, -20. M4 again. Add region. Now this one is fitting. And I can reduce this one to, let's say, negative. That is 67. Add region. So I have to change the name. That's why I'm doing this. Add region. And that one is fitting. I can just pick this one. Right click. Or just delete using my keyboard. Yes. just delete by using my cursor. I can delete that one also. It's not the region I want, and delete until I'm left with the last region, this one now. Alright, and so I can add, then pick it, and I will generate mesh. Okay, so I will have to create another region, or at least increase the offset. So I was using an offset of -20 and again -15. So I can increase this also to -80. This one I think it was 89, and this one was 67, and this one is marked, right? It is in fits, input, then add region. So I can delete the one which is selected right now using my keyboard. Just right click it and delete, then yes. Then I can just add this region called match. Then I will maybe generate mesh. Let's just generate mesh. I don't know, because from what I can observe, everything is within my rectangular, my region, right? I think everything is within my region, so this error should not be there. So I'll just go to analysis, then slab thickness, that is okay. I go to solid properties, then I will click here, then calculate subgrade, then calculate, then I will assign. You can see it's automatically assigned the subgrade modular. And I'll go to match, analyze, yes, and then just save as anything, B1, then save, and we run the analysis. Unless I imported I think that error should not be there. Let's see. That error should not be there because everything is within my region. Well, I think I understand why. Let's just stop. Because I did not include the depth. Remember, my depth is not at 0. My depth is at negative 12 feet downwards because I have a basement. So I think that is the sort of this error which I was not getting. So this warning we will remove by making sure that our region is in the right place. That is negative 12 feet down where my foundation lies, right? So I just cancel. So I just go to add region. So I will just try to add. I did not add the level. That's why. I did not add the level. That's why there are all those warnings, right? I added the length, the width. I forgot to add the level. So I just About this one, there are so many warnings. So this one mm, has an issue. So that is the issue. So I can just abort. I will add here to be 90, going to be 67. This one will be negative 15, and here will be negative 20. Here will be negative 12. This one will be 6. Add region. So I have not add a name. I'll add, let's say, K mat. Then add. Okay. I'll delete this one with the mesh because it is the one which is not in the correct place. Yes, yes. So I've deleted kmat. I will add kmat. I will generate mesh. So I can just pick it, select it, generate mesh. Now you can see there is no error. Okay. And then okay. So you can see it could not analyze foundation. So you make sure that it's not only the region which is important, but also the level. Because remember, my foundation is not at zero. It is not at the ground floor. It is at the bottom of my basement, which is negative 12 feet downwards. So I will just repeat the whole procedure. Go to thickness, soil properties. Make sure you check here. Then calculate is equals. Then sign. Then I'll go to analyze, yes, then save. Let's just repeat the analysis. There will be very few warnings because we modeled properly in STAAD Pro. We have done everything properly in STAAD Foundation Advanced. So you not have those many errors you may get when you don't do the right steps. So it's analyzing my model from start to. Check for any errors and to design our math foundation. Well, we have done. So I'll just go to output options. Okay. Now you can see my calculations. Number of warning 0, number of error 0. Um, Sliding check and everything, overturning. I'll go to slab design. You can edit all this, my FC, my FY, and my minimum bar I would prefer to use 4. Maximum bar I will not go beyond 6. Spacing, I will consider wood and armor movement. I will ignore check and then design. So the grid data is not available because we did not do moment avalanche generation. So I'll just generate mesh. So if I can show you, just do it in geometry. If you don't generate mesh, you get that error. And then I'll generate mesh in the Y. I can try to maintain aspect ratio and generate mesh. Okay. Then also generate mesh. And I'll go to design and just design. All right, here is my output. So done, okay. And can view the design detailed report. But often this one I get design. Okay. See the punching. So this issue, I will show you how to solve this issue in my next video of shear. Transverse, top, side. Then you can either print. So I'll just close node. I'll not print. I'll go to slab designer. All right, beam designer, reinforcement zoning, and I will create zone. Then here you can see the required reinforcement that we need 3H for at 127 millimeters. So here is how you can see the required reinforcement, because usually at STAAD on advanced will not generate the drawing for mat foundation, only for pad footing and pad footing only. So here is how you can see. Then you can change transverse, then create zone. Then you can see the required rebar. And I can change the bottom, then create zone. You can see the required rebar, that is size 4, that is in millimeters 12 at 152 millimeters center to center. So if you like this video, please do consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. My next video, if you're facing this problem or you're not sure about your shear in STAAD Adv, I will do a video on a rough mat foundation in RCDC FE in my next video. Thank you. If you like my video, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. See you in the next video.